welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a curry using the plantain. I belong to the state of Orissa and there are so many interesting recipes of my state. So I thought of introducing them to you one by one. So today I'm going to start with the plantain curry. Stay tuned for this recipe, and before that please support me and love me by subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching.
Let's check with all the ingredients we need to prepare this curry. For this, we need 3 medium-sized raw banana. Clean the bananas and peel the skin. Chop the bananas into long pieces and soak this in water so that it doesn't turn black. Similarly, cut the potatoes in long pieces. We want both the veggies to look alike. We also need 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. I have taken half because we usually get bigger size onion. Then we need 1 big-sized tomato cut into small pieces. Now let's check the ingredients for the masala paste. We need 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 pods of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, cinnamon stick 1 inch, cardamom 2, 3 dry red chilies, and then soak this in water for half an hour or more. To this add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Now pour mustard oil in a pan and fry the potatoes till light brown in color. After it is done, in the same pan add little more oil and fry the raw bananas till it is light golden in color. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and saute it for a while. Once it is done, take it out in a bowl and keep it aside. In the same pan, add some oil for cooking. Once it is heated, add in your chopped onions and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. To this, add the prepared masala paste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, chopped tomatoes, and give it a good mix. Cover it and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add little water to this and then add salt as required. To this, add in the fried plantain and potatoes. Saute it properly for 2 to 3 minutes till the masala is well coated. Now as you can see, it is well coated. Now add 1 glass of water as required depending on how you would like your gravy to be. Cover and cook till the veggies become soft and ready. Now you can see I'm done with my plantain curry. Now it's time for us to gobble gobble. Till then, prepare this at home and enjoy with your family. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. See you next time.